we have the brand new Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the only phone this year to carry the Ultra name in the second half. While many brands are stacking more and more lenses onto their Ultra models, Xiaomi has gone the opposite way. Compared to the previous generation, the camera system has been streamlined from 4 lenses down to 3, yet the overall imaging experience has actually taken a big step forward. So how did Xiaomi manage that? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The first surprise comes the moment you pick up the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Despite being an Ultra model, it feels unexpectedly comfortable in hand. With a body thickness of just 8.29 millimeters, it doesn't have that heavy, oversized feel you often associate with flagship Ultra phones. Even for someone with smaller hands like me, it's still easy enough to handle. The display specs are identical to the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, but this is Xiaomi's first Ultra phone to use a flat screen. That makes everyday use more straightforward and also gives the phone a cleaner, more refined look. Add in the ultra slim bezels on all 4 sides and you get a design that balances visual appeal with real-world usability. The overall design still leans heavily into a camera-inspired aesthetic and the attention to detail is obvious. The circular button on the side mirrors the round shape of the camera lens and its glossy chamfered edges give it a more premium feel. The camera module itself uses a natural, crater-like raised design. It's slightly smaller and positioned a bit higher than before, so when you're holding the phone with one hand, it doesn't get in the way of your fingers. Personally, I think the proportions look just right. The color we have here is starry green, which blends a deep green base with reflective star-like speckles. The result is a mineral-style texture that really stands out and looks unique under different lighting. Xiaomi has also refreshed the imaging kit this time, and the changes are quite practical. The vegan leather finish has been replaced with a diamond pattern texture, which improves grip and makes it easier to clean. The grip itself is integrated into a paper cup style design, adding extra stability when shooting. Buttons and control dials sit on a separate raised platform, so they're easier to reach and operate. Inside, there's a built-in 2000 mAh battery, now shaped more ergonomically for better handling. The case supports magnetic attachment, meaning you can still use it as a normal phone case even without the grip. With an adapter, you can also attach a 67mm filter, opening up more creative possibilities. Whether it's the phone's design, the accessories, or the continued Leica partnership, Xiaomi has always made it clear that the Ultra series is all about photography. This year, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra introduces something truly new: continuous optical zoom. It feels far more like using a real camera, and the experience leaves a lasting impression. In the past, flagship camera phones tried to cover a wide focal range by using 2 telephoto lenses, one of which usually acted as a mid-range option. Because space inside a smartphone is limited, manufacturers had to compromise on hardware specs between these lenses, so neither could reach its full potential. That focal lengths between the mid-range and telephoto lenses were often achieved by cropping, which meant image quality took a hit. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra takes a different approach. Its continuous optical zoom system relies on a single lens to cover the 75mm to 100mm focal length range. This includes the 4 classic portrait focal lengths of 75mm, 85mm, 90mm, and 100mm, all achieved through true optical zoom with no cropping. Within this range, the full 200 megapixel sensor is used, giving you much more freedom when composing shots. In effect, it's like having 4 large sensor telephoto lenses built into one. Whether you're shooting half-body portraits or tighter close-ups, image quality stays consistently high. When combined with master portrait features and natural optical bokeh, the results go beyond even Leica's signature look. Portraits and landscapes straight out of the camera have that unmistakable premium feel. The telephoto lens structure itself is also more advanced than a typical periscope design. When you zoom, you can actually observe the internal lens elements shifting. 3 separate lens groups handle optical power, zooming, and focus compensation, forming a large, sophisticated lens system that still doesn't stick out from the body. Xiaomi also uses an industry-first 3-element APU negative pin design to correct chromatic aberration. Thanks to this, there's no noticeable purple or green fringing, edge sharpness matches the center, and the lens has even earned Leica APU optical certification. That recognition alone says a lot about its optical quality. On top of that, the combination of uncropped imaging and full 200 megapixel zoom delivers truly top-tier results. Paired with motion capture capabilities, the telephoto camera can even lock onto fast-moving subjects, making clear bird photography possible on a smartphone. All of this adds up to one thing. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra genuinely delivers creative freedom for mid to long-range telephoto photography on a mobile device. And when it comes to night scenes, things get even more interesting. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's main camera is breaking new ground by being the first to use a domestically produced 1050L large sensor light hunter, complete with low-fact technology. Compared to the previous generation, its dynamic range has improved by a massive 20 times, which is almost like giving every single pixel the power of a large sensor. This allows the camera to capture very fine changes in light and shadow. Highlights stay under control, dark areas retain their detail, and night shots come out clean, natural, and true to life. Instead of aggressively brightening the scene like many phones do, the final image looks incredibly close to what your eyes actually see. The telephoto camera also shines when shooting at night, delivering full quality images without any cropping. Thanks to its high resolution, large sensor, and wide aperture, night portraits show impressive detail from realistic skin texture to clearly defined strands of hair. The background blur feels natural with pleasing bokeh, and even details on walls and surroundings are well preserved. Overall, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra sticks firmly to its optical night photography philosophy. With a 1-inch, high dynamic range main camera and a large sensor telephoto lens offering continuous optical zoom, it firmly establishes itself as a night photography powerhouse among smartphones. This strength carries over into night video as well. When paired with Xiaomi's Mi Log, the dynamic range can even surpass Apple's Apple Log, accurately handling complex lighting situations without losing detail. On top of that, Xiaomi introduces a new live action mode, which enables slow motion footage with a cinematic feel, similar to what you'd expect from professional red carpet lenses. Whether you're filming people or animals, the results look more lively and expressive. Camera movement feels especially suited for travel and street photography, with smooth transitions between subjects and scenes that give your footage a stronger sense of storytelling. There's also free camera movement with adjustable zoom ranges, along with ultra-lightweight 4K live photos, making mobile photography even more enjoyable and creative. Best of all, you don't need any extra gear. Everything is simple to use, and all you need is your phone. Beyond shooting, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra also makes editing much easier. Photo album editing, portrait blur controls, and other adjustment settings are now unified into one streamlined workflow. You can restore your entire edit history with a single tap, copy and paste adjustments for batch editing, and even use a new anti-glare feature that's especially helpful for more advanced users. If you're short on time, you can simply call on Xiaomi's AI assistant, and describe what you want. From tweaking settings to removing glare, everything can be done through simple voice commands, making the whole process incredibly intuitive. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring true flagship-level speed. Running on HyperOS 3.0, everyday use feels exceptionally smooth, with fluid animations and fast app launches. In real-world testing, a 30-minute stress test maintained an average frame rate of 59.8 FPS without any drops, while the phone's temperature stayed at a reasonable 39.9 degrees Celsius. The dual-path self-driven ring cooling system works extremely well, and the camera even has its own independent cooling channel. This means no throttling or stuttering, even during long photo or video sessions. Battery life is equally reassuring. With a 6,800 mAh battery, after a full day of use and shooting over 8 hours, there was still around 20% charge left. Fast charging is covered too, with 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, so battery anxiety is basically gone. The 90-watt PPS protocol also ensures efficient charging even when using compatible third-party chargers. On top of that, screen mirroring can now be directly controlled from an iPhone, allowing for notification sharing and two-way location tracking, which is especially convenient for users who carry two devices. Looking at the finer details, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra supports Xiaomi Star communication to improve signal strength in challenging network environments. UWB ultra-wideband technology allows it to work as a digital car key, and it offers full IP66 IP68, and IP69 water resistance for serious durability. All things considered, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra isn't just a well-rounded flagship. It's a powerful creative tool that seamlessly blends professional-grade features with everyday ease of use. It raises the ceiling for mobile photography while lowering the entry barrier for professional-level creation, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to capture life's best moments. That's exactly what a top-tier smartphone camera should deliver, a stress-free, efficient experience. And with that, we'll wrap up this video. See you in the next one.